back, Sowson here. We have an amazing seafood platter for you today. Unlike any other, lots of fresh ingredients, one you can take to your next barbecue, and your family and friends are going to love it. Seafood mix, and then we'll add the rest of the ingredients. Okay, we're placing it into the bowl. It is approximately a kilo, 1 kilo of your crab seafood mix. You can split it apart. It's so easy to just open up. And we have our fresh prawns, radish, celery. Again, putting this all in together. Okay, we have approximately as well, we've got about 500 grams of our fresh prawns. Mayonnaise, traditional mayonnaise. I believe I've got about 2 tablespoons. And we're going to mix it all in. All mixed in together. Crab meat, prawns, celery, and our radish. Take the ends off. Now, watch how easy this is going to be. I'm going to put a few in the middle, and the reason I'm going to put a few in the middle is it will actually give it height. And my favourite part that I'll eat later. Okay, here we go. Ready? Of preparation, and look, 5 minutes to put together. Here we go, almost finished. Almost finished. Look at that. Just sprinkle. That's it. Our fresh onions, spring onions, tomatoes, little baby tomatoes. Okay, just slicing some lemons. Okay, that should be it. Oh, look at that. One in the middle. Now. Nice. Hang on. Look at this. Come here. Come here. This is the only way to eat it. Submarine. Like and subscribe. There is plenty more coming next week. Let me know what you think. Bye for now.